What is up, my guys? SVT Topic here. Today is gonna be a racing vlog. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. Hopefully it's not rained out. But we're gonna be taking the Lightning to race against one of my boys, Wichooo Vlogs, and he's gonna get a rematch because he took the dub last time. So we'll see what comes up, and we're gonna watch the truck right now.
Ahí con el maestro. Yeah. What a Ford Racing. We out here pouring some coffee all over the Lightning. What kind of coffee this Lightning like, bro? That classic roast, that Folgers. Para que esté bien al tiro. Oh yeah? Why you do that though? For the guys? For the vlogs?
Got a fish tank going on right here.
Oh yeah? You gotta get that headlight fuel, bro. The fluid. That blinker fluid. Shout out to that guy. What's that guy's name? Boston 37. Shout out to him too. Oh. We got a broken tripod. Got our boy George over here coming into the scene. What's it looking like, bro? Shit out ya. A1 guest right here. What we got going on later, bro? We got them races.
You racing tonight?
Junior's racing tonight. Yeah.
Got done washing the Lightning. It's looking fresh again. Just gonna dry it off right now, and we're gonna get ready for the track. Right now I'm gonna go drop some things off and keep you guys updated. I'm gonna put some tire shines just to make it look a little bit more fresh. And yeah, I'm about to fill up the tank. I got some E85 right now right there. I'm gonna fill her up and keep you guys updated. Alright, so we got the tire shine going on right now. Gotta make sure it looks good for tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I go get the decals done right now so I can give away like 5 or maybe 10 for all my supporters. Sound good. She sound ready to go. Oh yeah. Right, we ready. Oh yeah. That puro Lightning, puro Ford Racing, you know. Yes sir, SVT. Let me show you how the cams start, how the cams sound. shaking. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what we're gonna do right now. What's up, guys? Well, we're about to head to the track. I'm gonna go get something to eat with my girlfriend. And yep, the lightning is ready. We got the bad boy ready. Let's get it started up. Alright, so we about to go to the heart of Texas, Whataburger. Yes, sir. So finna get a, man, I really didn't want to get nothing to eat, you know. Weight reduction, bro. I need to get on the diet for some weight reduction. Start winning more races, you know. But yeah, moon's looking nice. Can you see it? Yes, sir. So here we are. We're in line. We're about to get this Whataburger. Slight number 1. Can't get that double meat because we finna get fat. Ready, man. Talked to my tuner last time, and it's missing one little thing to get up to like a good amount of horsepower. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'll probably do like a video when I take it to the dyno, another one or something like that, man. Because I'm gonna get this other part, this performance part, and we're gonna make the lightning faster. And I'm not really trying to shoot any NOS right now. A lot of people are like, you should shoot NOS, but I don't really want to mess with it. Like, for me, that's like one of the last resorts. Use NOS. Like I said in my story, like a week ago, before snow happened and everything, I wanted to give away like 10 decals and all that good stuff to the first 10 people that came up over here to say what's up to us. But the snow got to us, and I wasn't able to talk to my boy because, you know, I had no connection. But next week, if the track's open, hopefully it is, I'll be giving away 10 decals. Where your boost at? Just come here, say what's up. And just ask for your decal and you'll get it, bro. We got 10, first come, first serve. Y'all keep that in mind for next video, for sure. This week, like I said, we weren't prepared. I didn't even think the track was gonna be open. I was really hoping, I was like, man, please let it be open. But it's open, so that's good. But yeah, let's get these good runs in.
Junior aquí va a correr con esta coyote, esta trocota bien chingona aquí, muy bonita troca, muy bonita, preparada para correr.
Alright guys, we finna race this F-150 5.0 tuned by Allmotorlabs, so let's see what finna happen. Yes, sir. Alright, so we beat the F-150. Oh man, my voice cracked. Damn, I got excited. But yeah, we beat the F-150. Man, that was a good race. Yes, sir. That's the 5-0 we beat right there. Yes, sir. Here we are with the man. My boy Wichooo right here. Yes, sir. Look at this beauty right here.
Go down right now with that lightning.
Yes, sir. These race stars. Look at that. quema cut. Goddamn beauty, bro. Allmotorlabs. Oh boy. The Mustang and the truck body. Oh, that right? Man, poor guy. I mean, poor woman. Yeah, this woman, she spun out in the track and hit it. That's tough, man. At least they're okay. Well, here we are, guys. We about to race Wichooo Vlogs. So let's see what's gonna happen, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed the race. It was a good race with my boy, both of them. The F-150, man, that thing was fast. And Chevy, good racing last night. Hopefully we get some more races coming up this week. We'll see who wants to line up. But for the meanwhile, we're gonna do the spark plugs and the coils on the truck. You know, gotta do that maintenance. She's been helping us out, so we got treated good too. But yeah, guys, saludos a toda mi gente del Valle, you know, shout out to all my people from the Valley, y toda mi gente de Puebla, Mexico. You already know we're coming at the top, baby. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.
Acá hay con qué quererlos mis hijos, nomás anímense.